Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, you guys, it has been such a long time since I last did a makeup video. So I am happy to be back with a hair and makeup and also Eid outfit tag video. Eid is coming up, and for all you people that celebrate Eid, I am wishing you all an Eid Mubarak, and I hope you guys spend it well with your families in few days to come. This makeup look that I decided to do today was just an inspiration to help my ladies out there that don't know what look to do for Eid. I made sure that I made it so simple for you guys to recreate at home. So make sure you practice. Watch this video as much as you want if it's going to help you look bomb on Eid. Today's video was sponsored by Wigzz. Asiatu, thank you so much. She's on Instagram and I have a discount code for you guys. I will basically link everything down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. My accessories was also sponsored by Jennifer's Boutique, so I am so happy to be collaborating her pieces in this video as well. So make sure you watch till the end where I'll be giving you all the information that you need for this jewelry piece. Now, if you guys would like to see how I created this makeup look and this hair, keep on watching.
Breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with a break. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing with a break. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, acting like a volcano.
Okay guys, so basically I've just secured my wig. I am going to get straight into the Eid makeup. I swear this elastic band is more painful than wearing heels. Today I am going to be using this primer by The Ordinary, and this is their silicone primer.
Save us, can't save us. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing.
So next I am going to go in with my Juvia's Place foundations, and I am going to be mixing these two shades. I'm going to use Dakar and Zaria. Dakar is slightly darker and Zaria is like lighter than my skin tone, so I just mix the two together to get a really nice perfect tone. So next I'm going to be using this Juvia's concealer in the shade number 9, and I'm going to be putting this underneath my eyes just to highlight. So next I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty cream contour in the shade Chocolate. So I've recently just purchased this, but to be honest, I think it's slightly dark on me, so I don't tend to use it a lot, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try it again and see how it would look on me. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is a shade 25, which is slightly lighter, and this is to enhance my highlight even more. So next I'm gonna go ahead and use my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Translucent to set my entire face. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Morphe Filter number 10 powder, and this is a all over face powder which I am going to be using to warm my face. It is time to get the brows done. So I'm going to be using my Benefit Precisely my pencil, and this is in the shade 4.5. I do not know why I went for 4.5. I tend to use shade number 4 because I do not like my brows dark. So next time I think I'm actually going to try 3.5 and see, because I really like light brows. But let's go ahead and try this one on. Actually wasn't that bad. I thought it would be way more darker than the 4, but the difference isn't really that much, so it's okay. So next I am going to be using this shade right here to neaten up my brows, and this is a concealer from MAC. I have got the shade Medium Deep. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use eyeshadow base, and this is P. Louise in shade number 2. Okay, let's move on with the skin. So I'm gonna be bronzing using my Glow Revolution bronzer in the shade Dark. Then I'm gonna go ahead in with my blusher, and this is also from Revolution, and I'm gonna be using the shade Rebel. Then I'm gonna go ahead in with my Morphe setting mist to set my entire face. So moving on to the eyes, today I am just thinking I want to do some color, okay? It's Eid and we are all going to be wearing colorful outfits, African dresses and stuff. I'm gonna be using my palette by Juvia's Place, and this is Violet. Now these colors are so beautiful and they're so nice. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be mixing it with something else, but I know 100% that I'm gonna be using this palette today. Guys, if you're wearing whatever outfit color you are, you can still do the same makeup look but with just a different color of eyeshadow palette. So you can still copy the steps and just change the color. To be honest, if I'm using purple and you're wearing blue, you can do the same makeup step with like a blue eyeshadow. So the first color I'm going to be using is this dark purple right here, and I'm going to be putting this on my crease. To blend that shadow out, I'm going to be using this shade right here. So this makeup look I'm going to be keeping very simple, so it's easier for so many people out there to recreate. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shade in the middle here, this purple, and I'm gonna put that just in the middle here, in the center of my eye. I'm just gonna set some setting powder underneath my eye to avoid the fallout from the eyeshadow to like stain my under eye. So I'm just gonna like set it like this, and this way it will be easier to just dust off after when you're done applying your eyeshadow. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the shade, which is the lighter violet shade here, and I'm gonna put that just before that purple that we just applied on. You guys, I am so loving this color on me. Like, wow, I never thought that purple or violet, whatever this color is, was gonna look this good on me, but I'm loving it so far. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use this color in the middle. This is slightly like pink purple mixed together. I'm gonna use this just in the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna dust off all the fallouts, and we are going to be working underneath our eye. For our under eyes, I'm gonna reverse everything we did here on top. So I'm gonna start with the dark purple, then I'm gonna go in with this one, following this, and last color will be that light pink color, okay? Moving on, I'm going to be filling in my eyes with my Kiko Black Intense Liner. So next, I'm going to be using my Inglot number 77 Gel Liner. I'm feeling for some eyeliner today. I haven't done a wing liner in a really long time. Recently, I've just been falling in love with just smudging my eyes with the Kiko Intense Black Liner because I'm lazy. But I miss doing eyeliner, so I'm gonna do a nice wing liner. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This name just gets to me every time I say it. Okay guys, I am so tempted to add some glitter to this look just to, you know, make it more sophisticated. It is Eid, you know, we still want to glow. It is a party makeup. Eid celebrations are very important to us. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this glitter. I'm gonna put this on my under eyes just to make it pop. To do that, I'm gonna use this glitter gel. This glitter gel is really good and it makes it so much easier to apply glitter on without it falling on your face. I'm going to be using OTS Beauty lashes, and this is in the shade Starlet. Again, you can still use my discount code for this. It is trendy15. So moving on to my favorite part of this makeup, applying my highlighter. So I'm going to use a Frequency, and this is by Revolution XX. For all you people saying violet isn't for black girls, bam, is not true. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips with Kiko Brown Lip Liner, and this is number 321. I really like this one because it's so creamy and it just glides on the lips. For my lipstick, I'm gonna be using NYX Lipley number 6. And for my gloss, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Sweet Mouth. I'm gonna take MAC's Primo Dial lip gloss just to apply on the center of my lips. So we are done with this makeup look. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off styling my hair, and this hair is by Wigzz on Instagram. I have a discount code for you guys. You can use trendy10 to get 10% off her website. I'll link all information down below so you guys can check out the website. The quality of this hair is amazing. I think the wig is about 150 density, so it's not super full, but I think it's full enough. So she pre-styled and customized this hair, which was so much easier for me. She made it so easy for my life. I do not have to struggle bleaching the knots, styling the hair. So if you're gonna order, she will be sending your wigs pre-styled and pre-curled or whatever style that you want, which is amazing. The hairline is very dope as well. I think I'm just gonna curl the front and just like get it super nice. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Eid makeup look, hair and outfit idea. I am so looking forward to Eid, and I'm wishing a very blissful Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. This beautiful piece of jewelry that I'm wearing is by Zainab's Boutique. It is a black owned business, a Gambian woman who is doing super amazing, so well at her job, and she has the best customer service ever. So please check her website out. It is janabasboutique.com. I will be linking her website down below, so you guys make sure you check it out, and she's got a discount code for you guys as well, so use it and make great advantage out of it. I mean, just look at this piece, just look at this jewelry, just look how it just makes the outfit pops. It's amazing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Eid look, and I will see you guys on my next video. Ciao. So now I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex Max. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips with Kiko Brown Lips. I'm gonna line my lips with Kiko Brown Lips.